In this video, I want to answer the question how to drive traffic for Gumroad. And honestly, I'm not looking to cover the fuller content like make a nice thumbnail on Gumroad. No. What I want to get into here is the things that I personally think are really important to actually driving the traffic to your website. And that is using social media. And no, I don't mean making a social media profile and putting a link to your Gumroad. That's not what I mean. Let's say I am trying to sell a course on video editing. Well, I could start a YouTube channel or use my already established YouTube channel where I showcase just how good I am at editing to drive traffic to my Gumroad or whatever website I was using to actually sell that course. I could treat myself as my own sponsor and have my sponsored advert in one of my videos. And the same thing can be done for YouTube, TikTok. If you have a product that you are trying to showcase, maybe it's something that is a useful product that you can use every day, do a tutorial on your product. It doesn't need to be in your face direct, but it does need to be visible and it does need to be showcased. Now, next thing, probably something people commonly speak about is building an email list. So, again, coming back to that social media platform thing, ever noticed how some YouTubers, maybe video editing again, I bring that up because I could say I'm in that space, will give out a free product under the condition that you just go to their website and sign up with your email so they can advertise their products to you via their mailing list. Now, search engine optimization can very often be used for slop, but in this case, search engine optimization is going to be your friend. Don't just make your product definitions plain. Try to optimize your product definitions so that they fit in what you think somebody who was looking for that product would search for on Google, because Gumroad pages can rank on Google. And next, and this is going to be my final one, is again going to social media platforms, but this time it's for collaboration and creating affiliates. Ever noticed how you could scroll on TikTok or even Facebook and find a funny creator who you think is just making a funny video, but it actually turns out to be an ad, and you're like, wow, this is the best ad ever. Don't be afraid to reach out to other creators with your product. Especially if you guys are in the same space, you could both help each other out. And this builds into networking as well. So those are my tips to building your traffic and driving your traffic towards your Gumroad. I hope that information is helpful. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.